guys, I am Kinje Arellano and today I will gonna show you how I finish my activity 2 in HCI. To incorporate it into my activity. In the opening form, I have included instruction and the developer's name, making it user-friendly. When viewed in the form view, it's properly aligned and sized. To achieve this, go to Onload and select Code Builder, then enter the provided code. This setup allows the screen to maximize and be centered for the best presentation. Next, navigate to the main portion where each part is labeled and layered. To enable this feature, go to All Mouse Move, select Code Builder, and input the specified code. When you move the cursor over each body part, it displays information about it. You can see this is the output of my activity.